Start over. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mrs. Claus is in the cellar. Golly, can't you smell her making cookies in her dirty old dirty stove? Dirty stove. In her eye there is a matter that keeps dripping in the batter, and she whistles by the runs down her nose.
Down her nose.
Down her nose. Down her nose. Down her nose. And she whistles by the runs down her nose.
Cause you love it and you do it.
Mr. Claus came in the cellar. And he began to pick a fight, and he ended up by breaking Santa's rear. No.
30 years ago.
No.
We don't remember.
You don't remember.
30 years ago.
Keep going, girls.
Okay, wait. I got to hold it.
Mr. Claus got real upset.
Mr. Claus came in to tell her, just so he could came in the cellar.
Just so he could tell her that her cookies smelled the very worst this year. This year, thank you. Mrs. Claus got real uptight. She began to pick a fight, and she ended up by breaking Santa's rear. Santa's rear.
Santa's rear.
Santa's rear.
Santa's rear.
She ended up by breaking Santa's rear.
Because they love Santa's rear.
Don't you fret now, don't you frown. When old Christmas comes around, have a merry, merry Christmas and a happy New Year.
With Santa's rear.
It was a Christmas show. We auditioned. We were on the stage and we sang this and thought it was very cute. And Mrs. Davis.
Oh, fat Mrs. Davis.
Yeah.
I know, she was only fat. She was an alcoholic.
She was
Looked at us and she said, "Do you really think that's appropriate for Christmas?" We thought so.
You're damn right,
And
bitch.
she said, "Get off the stage."
With my Spanish.
I spent 6 weeks with Mrs. Davis.
Santa's rear?